Yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, yeah, I came in with a saw. Yeah.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy JT, the best. You already know. Oh my God, it's dark here. But anyway, yeah, I am about to do a DIY rip pants. Yeah, pretty much. That's how it really is. Rip pants. I'll show you how to do it. Here we go. One reason why I'm doing DIY rip my pants because these pants have bleach stain on it. I'm gonna show you real quick. I'm gonna show you what. But these pants have bleach stains on it. I don't want pants that have bleach stains on it. I don't know when I had it. I just got it on this, you know. I'll be like, you know what? DIY. Oh my God, I'm dark. Yeah, DIY. Yeah, bro, you see that bleach stain? This is why I'm doing it, because I don't know where this came from. It just came. Pair of pants, you know. First take a pair of pants or whatever. And then I want you to find where your knees should be. Like, where your knees usually be, find somewhere, alright? Then make a hole. Like, try to make a hole to this, like, only this one. Only this first layer. You see that? Only see that right here? Only through the first one. Use a knife or some scissors or whatever. Use scissors because it's more safe, but I use a knife because I had no idea where my drink is at. Anyway, after that, that's what I want you to do. Well, rip that drink, alright? Just rip that drink. I'm gonna show you real quick. So yeah, here it is, bro. Here it is how to rip pants. You see how I ripped it? A little with the string, but yeah, that's how you see how I ripped it. It's pretty easy like this, bro. Just pretty easy. Like, I just ripped it. Like, I'm not going to do anything else to it, but don't rip it if you don't know what you're doing, bro. Alright? Don't rip it if you don't know what you're doing. You know who I'm talking to. But anyway, yeah. That's pretty much it. I'm out this. You can do it to the other side if you want. You don't have to, but you can if you want to. I'm just saying. You can do it to the other side if you want to. That's really about it. I mean, that's all I want to do. Show you how to do it. Put rip pants. Get rip pants. Make it yourself. You don't want to go out and buy them. You got some old pants that you don't want. I'm not saying necessarily old, but you know what I mean. Some old pants you don't want. Some dull pants. So you got a whole bunch of black pants. You can rip one of them if you want. You don't want to go out and buy some red pants. You rip one of them. Easy. Blue pants. You can do the same thing for all pants. You don't want to rip it. Don't rip it. You don't know what you're doing. Don't. If you cut yourself, it's not my fault. I'm out this. See you later. JT out.
Yeah, hey, I like lean, I like drugs, I like beams, I got plugs, what you need? Funds, what you bleed, what you tough.